I'm like seeing all the rainbows. I got an idea, and I know that it sounds crazy.
Hey guys, it's Mary. Today's video I will be doing this rosy spring pinky makeup tutorial, so I hope you all enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you're not subscribed already. I'll have all my social media links down below, like my Twitter and Instagram, so you should go follow me on there. And without further ado, let's just hop into the video. So first I'll be starting off with my eyes. I'll be using the Morphe 35B palette. So first I'm just going to be priming my eyes before I put on any shadow. So first I'll be taking this corally pink color right here. And I'll be using the Morphe M505 brush. I'll be putting that all over my crease and in my inner corner and just blending it all out. Then I'll be taking this purple shade right here. I'll be putting that on the outer corners of my eyes. And I'll be blending that into my crease as well. Now I'll be cutting my crease, so I'll be taking some concealer and a Real Techniques flat concealer brush. Going in with that coral shade again, and I'll be going above where I just cut my crease just to add a little bit more color.
Just have a drink and you'll feel better.
That bright purple again and the Morphe M433 brush and putting it on the outer corner right around here, and then just blending that out. Next, I'll be taking a flat brush from Real Techniques, using this hot pink right here from the same palette. I'll be starting that, blending it in with the purple and bringing it into the rest of my lid. A light shimmer color, and I'll be using that to highlight my brow bone.
It's like
Taking a smudger brush, I'll be taking the same hot pink color on the lower lash line. So now I'll be moving on to my face. Obviously the fallout is so bad with this palette, I'm not going to lie, that's why I always do my eyes first. I'll be priming my face with the L'Oreal Magic Lumi Primer. For foundation, I'll be using the Anastasia Stick Foundation, and then I'll be using a Real Techniques Beauty Sponge to blend that all together. I'll be using the Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Concealer.
you got plans now, baby. I was hoping I could get lost.
I'll be setting my face with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. So for some reason this part just got cut off, but all I did was I started to bake with the Airspun Loose Face Powder. I just went ahead and I contoured the hollows of my cheekbones, under my chin, and my forehead with the Anastasia Contour Kit using M438 contour brush, and then I just went ahead and contoured my nose as well. I'm just going to be brushing off all the loose excess powder.
Help me. It's like the
Now using the Morphe E59 bronzing brush, I will be bronzing with the NYC Smooth Skin Bronzer. Now I'll be going in with the Anastasia Glow Kit in Sun Dipped, and I will be taking the shade Summer, which is just a light highlight. I will be using the Morphe M509 brush with that.
giving up, but
I'll be using the Ardell Faux Mink Wispy Lashes. Taking the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. I will be applying that on my top and bottom lashes. Now for my lips, I'll be going in with the shade Spice from MAC. And I'll just be lining my lips with that.
What can I say?
Then I'll be using the Makeup Forever liquid lipstick in the shade Artist.
Explain something I don't.
And then I'll be taking a nude gloss from Urban Decay.
Your pretty thoughts.
So I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and like I said before, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you're not subscribed already. I'll have all my social media links down below, like my Twitter and Instagram, so you should go follow me on there, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.